How to remove the roof on this car because it's actually kind of cool. So there's two little tabs over here, and what you have to do is push the tabs and then pull that down there, okay, and that's going to unlock everything. So we've released the hood. It's pretty light, so all you gotta do is kind of lift up on it like that, lift up the trunk, and then the roof is going to sit on this top part in the same way that it sat on the car. Just sit down in there, and then we have these two little kind of fasteners here, and just pull them down to lock it into place here. Just like that. And then you can also still access your trunk then if you need to, okay? And then taking this off, we'll bring this back down. We just want to undo the clips. There's a little tab. Just push that and it'll unlock for you. Tab on the end, push it, it'll unlock. Go ahead and lift it out. When you put it back on, all you gotta do is set it back into place here. Set it back into place. Go ahead and clamp those guys up.